front of me is OnePlus Pad Go, and today I would like to show you how you can delete a password from Google Passwords Manager. Begin by launching Settings and scrolling all the way down to access Google. Then hit Autofill, Autofill with Google, and Google Password Manager. Following that, tap on one of your passwords that you wish to get rid of from Password Manager. Enter your screen lock and choose Delete button. Then confirm your choice in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!